Hi, this is Sophie from Artinis Medical Systems. In this video, I will explain the Template DAQ State and its use in our data acquisition software OxySoft. The Template DAQ State displays the Opto template for each connected device. Blue dots represent receivers, also called Rx. Yellow dots represent transmitters, also called Tx. And white dots represent a channel formed by Tx and Rx. In this example, the bride was connected using the 24-channel template. If the channel shows a white dot, sufficient light is received and no excessive amount of ambient light is detected. When placing the cursor over the white dot, the amount of received light counts is shown. If the dots turn red, the channel received inadequate or excessive light and signal quality might be bad. Additionally, a letter next to each channel can be seen that gives further information on conditions of the channel in case of bad signal quality. A for ambient, L for low, and H for high conditions. The legend of these conditions is also displayed in the bottom left corner of the Template DAQ State. If multiple devices are added to the measurement, or if the chosen Opto template contains multiple subtemplates, the list of all subtemplates can be seen on the left side. Each subtemplate can be viewed separately by clicking on the corresponding subtemplate or device. It is also possible to view multiple subtemplates or devices at the same time. To do so, right-click on the device list and select Add Pane. Select an additional subtemplate or device in the Edit pane. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or register to our support center. In case of any questions, please check the manual or contact us at askforinfo@artinis.com.